Let's go over this Tesla trade that I was talking about in the live stream this morning. So for those of you guys who were on the live stream, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. For everyone else, look at the big push that we had off the first 10 minutes of the day. Then we sold all the way back down, consolidated sideways. We did put in a low at 256.50. Now, around this time here, this candle, 8:20 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, was our first close back over the 20 SMA, going all the way back to the opening range candle. What I was saying here is I'm going to take a long position on Tesla, even though we're trending down at the bottom, right? We're trading along a floor here. What I was looking at was using this candle's low as a stop loss, and that's why I put it here in orange. If you don't believe me, go back to the live stream, go to like the last 5 minutes of the live stream. I talked about this before I got off to go get myself something to eat, right? So look at the candle here, mark the lows. I understand that if we can break back into this pre-market channel here, so the pre-market lows are between 259 and the pre-market high sitting at around 263. If we could break into this level, hold my one candle bar stop, then I would be interested in taking this into the next area of supply. So the entry price is around 278.50s, 278.80s, depending on slippage and fill time, this, that, and the other, right? The first area of supply is going to be 260, which is a 200-day moving average. So I sold half size there. And then as we ran up here into previous days highs at around 260.51, I just sold the rest of my position. This actually looks primed to get over 260.51 into the 263 channel. But again, I just wanted to highlight that. Again, it's all about analyzing the charts. It's all about setting a technical stop loss, and it's all about having confidence to take the trade setups that you see playing out on the charts. I tell all of my traders at Evolution Traders, just play the charts. Are you going to win every trade? Of course not, right? But if you can identify the setups, you can give yourself, decent amount of risk management to where, you're not going to get blown out on any one particular trade. You have areas of take profit. All it is after that is just taking the trades and letting things set up, right? There's nothing you can do after you get in the trade besides stop out. If it's going to win, it's going to win. It's just a probabilities game. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some, but all we have to do is protect our risk. It's all about capital preservation. So as long as we can preserve our capital, we're always going to get another setup. So when you take a loss, or you take 2 losses, or you take 3 losses, as long as we are still preserving our capital, meaning that we still have enough money to trade, we are going to get on that streak where we're going to catch winning trades. You are going to start identifying these trades and be able to set a 1-bar stop and have this go from a price, of 258s all the way up to 260.50. So a $2 move in a matter of, if you look at the time, between 8:20 all the way up here until we touch this previous day high at around 8:55. So we're looking at a 20 to 25 minute trade max, right? So if you can take $1, $1.50, $2, especially on a stock like Tesla, in 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, it turns into a hell of a trade. So just kind of wanted to outline that for everyone that was watching the live stream. But this actually looks like it's ready to break out as well. So anything over 260.51 is going to be into this channel now over yesterday's highs, where we can definitely start trying to test into the 263s area again. Now, I don't see any short position. Okay, I don't really see any short position until we start to break down below pre-market lows. That's 259. So if there is some sort of sell-off at the end of the day, just understand that anything below 259, your first stop might be 258.50s, and you might test 258. There's really not a good short setup until we give up the day's lows at 256. So also keep that in mind. I just wanted to be clear on that. But I hope you guys had a fantastic trading week. If you guys want to learn how to trade and be more consistent in your stop, you're tired of spinning your wheels in the mud, right? In the mud, going around and around, not having confidence, not sticking to the same strategy, not having a good trading plan, not understanding levels of supply and demand. Join Evolution Traders. Become a lifetime member. You're going to get access to the chat room. You're going to get access to intraday technicals like this live in real time when you guys need them. You're going to get access to the video courses, the strategy guides, the mindset help, one-on-one coaching. Join evolutiontraders.com. I'll see you guys all on the inside.